Welcome back to 50 Targeted Traffic Methods for Online Business. And in this video, we are going to be discussing how you can get traffic from the website Udemy.com. And as you know, Udemy.com is a place where you can place your information products on a site that will basically direct traffic to you based on their interest in a particular topic. And it's a great way to expose your website and your expertise to information seekers. So you will basically, in the same way that you would create a course for sale, for the Warrior Forum, or for JVZoo, or for some other medium, well, you'd create this course for Udemy.com. And Udemy.com is going to be able, and Udemy.com is going to bring traffic to you based on the interest that people search for inside of the site. Now, one of the great things about Udemy in terms of using this as a way to get traffic, it might seem as if it's a little convoluted, or it might seem that it's a little indirect, create a product in order to get traffic. But one of the great things about Udemy in terms of creating your own course is that you won't have to worry about the technical aspects of course creation. So in other words, you're going to be able to, if you can create videos and you can upload them, you can have a course. So you don't have to worry about membership sites. You don't have to worry about whether or not your course is going to get delivered. You don't have to worry about pay buttons. You don't have to worry about any of those things. And that's why it's such a great way for you to be able to get your profile online in an area of your expertise, and for you then to be able to put yourself in a position to basically meet new customers and meet new prospects. Now, Udemy also, even in addition to this, and let's say that you're struggling with, again, some of the technical aspects of creating products. Well, they provide a great deal of support to help course creators to get their course up and running. So they really want to do everything they can to help you to get your course running, because when they sell a course of yours, they make money. When they get traffic because of your course, they make money. So this is very important to them in order for them to get your course up and running. So they're going to do what they have to do in order to help you, in order to be available to you. And again, this is going to be a great way for you to get traffic if you can get some courses up there to attract people based on their interests. And one of the things you can do with Udemy is you can literally give free access to your course to a number of individuals instead of selling them. Now let's take a look at what we will be discussing, or what we're talking about when we look at Udemy. And Udemy is a great place once again because there isn't really a lot of complication. You want to place a course on Udemy, you go to start by clicking or become an instructor. If you want to learn something, or if a person wants to come and learn something, let's say they want to learn about web design. And you can see they've got a number of courses inside of Udemy for web design. And they're going to be able to click that link. And if you have a course on web design, or starting a web design business, or anything like that, you will be able to find people who are going to be able to see your course. And you'll see that there are a number of people out there. And some people have 7,000 students, 600 students, 300 students, 500 students. Now, that may or may not be important in the big picture. You say, well, I've got a course on Udemy now, so what does that mean? How does that going to help me to get traffic to my site? How's that going to help me to get traffic to my offers? Well, one of the powerful things about Udemy, once you become an instructor and you actually have students, is that you are going to have the ability, using the Udemy system, in order to contact these individuals. Now, notice this email that I've received from a course instructor in Udemy. It's addressed to me. It's come through the Udemy system, and this individual can send me a link to something that they want me to download. And it's based on the fact that I am a student in their course. So if you give away a course of high value, and then you want to send people to your website in order to get something, you can do that through the messaging system. That's why having a number of students inside of Udemy is a very powerful way of being able to get traffic back to your site. And really and truly, when you begin to really explore that method, getting email to your students or to your potential customers is going to be a very efficient way of being able to drive traffic to whatever it is that you have going on, events or offers or special opportunities. You will then be able to get targeted, focused individuals to what it is that you are doing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.